History of computers.
Jai Hind children. I hope you are fine at home. I am Srinath, your computer science teacher. Before going to start our class, I would like to recall the things which we are studying last year. Last year we have studied about what is computer, what is software, hardware, what is file, folder, like that. Okay, let us remember what is computer. A computer is an electronic device that we can store information into its memory. We can also use for mathematical calculations purposes. Okay, coming to software. A software is a set of instructions which is created for a specific task. And hardware is a physical component in a computer that we can touch and see. Now coming to our first chapter, history of computers. In this chapter we want to study about some early calculating devices and generation of computers. So our first topic is early calculating devices. In this topic we want to study about some early calculating devices such as abacus, Pascal's adding machine, Leibniz calculator and analytical engine. Okay, abacus. A Chinese invented a machine called abacus. It was the first machine used for calculations. The purpose was to count. The old abacus was made up of stones. Now it is made up of strings and beads. Next topic is Pascal's adding machine. In 1642, a French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the Pascal's adding machine. It performed addition and subtraction only. So our next device is Leibniz calculator. Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, invented the calculating device Leibniz calculation. It performed arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So move to our next topic, that is analytical engine. Charles Babbage developed the first mechanical computer. He thought it could do some difficult calculations. It had an input, output and a processing unit. It is a mechanical computer. Mechanical computer were operated manually. Okay. Now our next important topic is electronic computing devices. So first one is ENIAC. ENIAC. In 1946, John and Presper of USA developed the world's first electronic computer, that is ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. I repeat, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, that is ENIAC, world's first electronic computer. Okay, coming to our next topic, that is UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. It is the world's first commercial electronic computer. Okay, UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. Okay, now let us discuss some facts about computer. Alan Turing is called the father of modern computer, and Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Let's see a video related to these topics.
History of computers. The computers we use today are very different from the early devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let's learn about some of the early calculating devices. Early calculating devices. Abacus. The Chinese invented a machine called abacus. It was the first machine used for calculations. The purpose was to count. The old abacus was made up of stones. It is now made up of strings and beads. Pascal's adding machine. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the Pascal's adding machine. It performed difficult addition and subtraction. Pascal invented the machine at the age of 18 to assist his father in calculations for the tax collected. It's a rectangular box with wheels on it. Leibniz calculator. Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, invented the calculating device Leibniz calculator. It performed arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It was made up of a step drum connected to a counting wheel and teeth. Analytical engine. In 1837, Charles Babbage developed the first mechanical computer. He thought it could do difficult calculations. Mechanical computers were operated manually. The analytical engine had an input, output, and processing system as in modern computers. Electronic computing devices. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. In 1946, John Macaulay and Presper Eckert of USA designed the world's first electronic computer, UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC 1 was the first commercial electronic computer developed in the year 1951 by ENIAC inventors. Tech facts. Alan Turing is called the father of modern computers, as the base concept of new modern computers was devised by him.
Evolution of computers. That means generation of computers. We have 5 generations of computer. Okay, we have 5 generations of computer. So our first generation is, the component is used vacuum tubes. Okay, the computer is huge in size, low speed, like that. Okay. So the second generation computer is used transistors. Some features about this generation is, it is small in size, faster and cheap, more storage capacity. That is second generation computer. The component is used transistors. Now coming to third generation of computer, ICs, integrated circuit. That is the component used in third generation of computer. The language is used high level language. Okay, it is small in size and faster. That is the feature of third generation computer, and the component is IC, integrated circuit. And coming to fourth generation of computer, the component is used, fourth generation of computer is microprocessors. This is the present computers that we are using, that is microprocessors. Okay, we are using presently fourth generation of computer. Okay, now fifth generation of computers. The technology used in fifth generation of computer is artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. The technology is artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. Some characteristics of this generation of computer is, it is very speed, huge memory capacity and voice recognition. And the computer is supercomputer. Supercomputers are used in fifth generation of computers, and it is used in robotics and satellites. Okay, let us see a video related to 5 generations of computer.
Generation of computers. The evolution of computers to current stage is defined by means of generation of computers. First generation computer. From 1940 to 1956, components used are vacuum tubes. Some of the characteristics of this computer are huge in size, small memory, slow speed, high power consumption, use of machine language. Examples of this type of computer are EDSAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC 1. Second generation computer. From 1956 to 1963, components used are transistors. Some of the characteristics of this type of computers are small in size, fast and cheap, more storage capacity and more powerful operating system. Assembly language programming. Examples of this type of computer are IBM 1401 UNIVAC 1. Third generation computer. From 1963 to 1971, components used are integrated circuits, ICs. Some of the characteristics of this type of computers are small size, less power consumption, increased storage capacity, less heat generation. Examples of this type of computer are IBM 360 series, IBM 370 series. Fourth generation computer. From 1971 to present, components used are microprocessors. Some of the characteristics of this type of computers are great computing power, large storage capacity, unique storage devices at less cost. Examples of this type of computers are desktops, laptops, tablets. Fifth generation computer. Present to beyond. Component used artificial intelligence, nanotechnology. Some of the characteristics of this type of computers are very high speed, huge storage capacity, voice recognition, large memory requirements, more user friendly. Examples of this computer are supercomputers. Let's revise. Abacus was the first machine used for calculations. Pascal's adding machine performed difficult addition and subtraction. Leibniz calculator performed arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Charles Babbage developed the first mechanical computer. Mechanical computers were operated manually. ENIAC was the world's first electronic computer.
Excellent! State whether the following statements are true or false. Excellent! Choose the correct answer. Excellent! Excellent! Excellent!